Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स। तो आज हम आगे अपना क्लास जो कल का क्लास था जिसमें हमने इस चैप्टर के कुछ क्वेश्चंस का आंसर हमने लिखा। आज हम क्वेश्चन जो चौथा क्वेश्चन है आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक का इसी चैप्टर का। तो चौथा क्वेश्चन है व्हाट आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स पार्टिकल्स ऑफ मैटर। यह अम ब्रोह तक डिस्कस कोर्मुत कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ मैटर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ मैटर क्या कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स क्या खसूसियात मैटर हाँ एज यू नो मैटर इज those objects which has mass and occupies space is called matter। कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ मैटर के बारे में हमने आपसे बात की। तो यहाँ पर मैं फिर क्वेश्चन में आ गया है। तो आज आपको वो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हम लिखने हैं, कुछ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हम लिखेंगे डिटेल में। Some important characteristics particles of matter are कैश पॉइंट्स में लिखने के लिए इन वैरायटी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ पार्टिकल्स ऑफ मैटर क्या कर तो ऐसे बे डिस्कस उसमें लिखूं मैटर कंसिस्ट्स ऑफ टाइनी पार्टिकल्स एज यू नो दैट एवरी ऑब्जेक्ट इन द यूनिवर्स फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट इज मैटर। All those things which you see in your surroundings, they are matter because they have mass and occupies space. This pen में atas में चुना, it is also a matter. It is also a matter. This book is matter. This book is matter. This book is matter. ठीक है ना? तो matter consists of tiny particles. आसमान से जो locket ज़रा आसान आस matters में which cannot be seen with the naked eyes. With our naked eyes we cannot see these objects because they are too small, because they are very small in size. We cannot see even with our naked eyes. अगर इस मिसाल लेमो तो वुचो आब आबस मन माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म लकट कहें मगर अस तम अथ कहें पावरफुल माइक्रोस्कोप माइक्रोस्कोप मंज तम वुचान अत मं बसान तम बसान लकट जर पे वन यह आब नसा गि अन और कह यह गुन क्या सजेशन दिवान तुम करो सो बॉइल्ड वाटर यूज तम सह खतरे बेमार गो यह मसला मकसद दे आर मैटर इज मेड अप ऑफ very tiny particles even we cannot see with our naked eye. Doyim kya likhnu there exists space between the particles of matter you water particles of water water molecules must exactly there are 10 raised to power 21 molecules of water. There is a gap between particle and particle. There exists space between the particles of matter. Iman darmiyan such particle of matter darmiyan jay aksan. These interparticle spaces are called voids. That is one of voids. Kya is one voids kya gay yus aman khali jay asan khali jagah theek hai na jay the number of the size of these voids differ from one kind of matter to the other. Yes, one kind of matter to the other. Yes, differ gasan ek matter pete bekis me ek particle pete bekis particle. Number 7, there exists space between the particles of matter darmiyan space and the interparticle space. These are called voids. Is tuman darmiyan particles darmiyan gap the number of the size of these voids differ from one kind of matter to the other. Ishin hishi asan ki ish ek particle big particles tam asan different ge hai theek hai na differ from one particle to another. Number 4, the particles of matter are held together by forces of attraction. They are held together by force of attraction. The strength of these forces varies from one kind to other. Each varies from that nearly misal nearly particle agar hammer tim alag patim topic me that much me misal we can hammer the nail, but we cannot make these particles separate. You can separation they are that much force strongest force between these particle to particle. Number fourth. The particles of matter are not stationary. Particles of matter are not stationary. They are moving. The particles of matter are not stationary. Stationary but are continuously moving. Moving. They possess kinetic energy. All moving objects possess kinetic energy. It is because it is because of this reason that you get pleasant smell from burning incense stick even you are several meters away. Agar sa tu kah cheez zaliu nebr kane agar tu dur te ashu tahi tam vaite mushu ashu zara Allah cheez kashir par zara chna es bagas maz karan zara zun tora fikri agar es dur te aso ashu basan kun jay chu kah cheez dazan ya ashu zara daj daj zara daj mad mushu chiwa ya ashu dazan ashu sa kangar te ashu dazan Palo Cheskangi Ashna Mushikima, Gabi, Yahachu, Wajasa, Yamasa particles of matter, they are continuously moving. Even we can smell it from several meters. This is a Hakan, make Mushuk to Hakan is, Mushuk Hakan, which is Durian, many Agrabite has Missal, it is Missal, the Mushkutu Shizal and Cameras Macha Mushkutuzala, what is the Mushkutu Zalva Shasa, what is the Mushukama touching Tuta Mushukima, it is Nazdik Tigaso, Mother. Yet is party Zalun Cambrasmas, Ithaun Cambrikis Kunasmas, so we can say that the particles of matter are continuously moving. Yeah, many quicking missile, Batish missile mean, Batish under Kandrana, traffic, such a temperature, the you heat up come, you touch that mushuk near, never. Never can also, Oshimon, I just said Batagasanta, Oshimon, I just said Sumbrana, Tikana. Teacher, because the particles of matter are continuously moving. Yim was making pointers important pointers. Yim to ya taken. You was the question number 4. Question number 4. It can video call question number 4 to it can call you back, but it taken a yard. Empathy question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5 was much cash one. Question number 5 was much one. You question number 5 you board split. Question number 4 you board split. Question number 5 Samja Butoy. Question number 5 Utrabutoy. Group was much no. You say 9 two groups Banomo. That must question number 5. No question number 5. You see my boys board split. Also board split. You see my boys so have Pata Panija node Panaway to material send. Question number 5 the mass per unit volume of a substance is called density. Agar density density mass per unit volume. Each aspect diffusion density mass and weight physics diffusion characteristics solid properties of solids, liquids and gases states of matter discuss clear which I see the mass per unit volume of a substance is called a density. Because density the mass per unit volume is called a density. Arrange the following in order of increasing density. Density. Air, first is air, exhaust from chimneys. Exhaust from chimneys go yus bukhar chh asan tem muz yus duh ch neran. Honey go march, water, ab, chalk, cotton and iron. Yim ch as yimam cheezun hin naw ch dit at ma ch as wuchun density kat ch zyada kat strongest density. Wuchu agar is march to ab nimo honey and water are liquid tum ch liquid baaki ch seri solid. Honey and water are liquids, but the mass of particles of honey is much higher and interparticle distance are much smaller than those in water. What density of honey is such as water nish. Therefore, the density of honey is much higher than that of water, but air and exhaust from chimneys are gases. You see, air the exhaust from chimney such gases. Now air contains only oxygen and nitrogen are the main constituent, but exhaust from chimneys contains some heavier gases. You see, chimney must heavier gases also, that is carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, etc. Gas also. The oxygen and air, then oxygen and air. Therefore, the density of exhaust from chimneys is expected to be higher than that of air. So exhaust from chimneys is density is higher. Chalk and iron are solids. Basic cheese chalk and iron, they are solids. But due to much smaller interparticle distance in them, their densities are much higher than those of liquids and gases. Liquid to gas density. Now in iron, the particles are very closely packed, but in chalk, iron closely packed interparticles chalk. Cotton is also a solid, but it has a number of folds in which air is trapped. In all, we can say that thus the overall order of increasing density is increasing density. First of all, air, exhaust from chimneys, then cotton, then water, honey, chalk and iron. Increasing orders must cost density. Godmuk likhu tui air. Trim likhu exhaust from chimneys. Khat density nish kam chasan at. Nish kam chasan pat cottonus. Nish kam chasan pat waters. Nish kam chasan pat honey. निश कम चौक और इसके सबसे ज्यादा कम किस में होती है आयरन में. Increasing orders must जवाब air, exhaust from chimneys. Increasing orders must increasing orders must increasing orders must come density density iron. Iron, exhaust from chimneys, cotton, water, honey, chalk, and iron density, particles in this choice. Different air was it, exhaust from chimneys was it, honey was it, water was it, chalk was it, cotton was it, and iron. Cellular density that is iron. Increasing orders must increasing orders must iron first of all. And exhaust from chimneys, repeat, the temperature cotton, temperature water, temperature honey, temperature chalk, and then last is iron. Let us conclude today's topic. Thank you.